this is what I want for our 5th wedding anniversary. And yeah, and this is not that far from where I live.
Yep.
It's like an hour.
About that, yeah.
Yeah, an hour. So yeah, closer to nature. There's another couple there. Continue walking down there. We have to walk down there.
Yeah.
Farther, that's may nauna na sa atin. Lag. This is all I wanna do. Real gardens. A lot of holes to live in here. Oh,
The lake is closed.
ito na yung waterfalls. Ganyan. Mas maganda dito pag umuulan. Is that rainy days? They'll get a lot of water. It's been a bit. We don't get rain here, so that's nice. Walang masyadong tubig kasi hindi umuulan dito. About a week na walang ulan. That's pretty much it. Nakita na natin yung gusto nating makita. Because I miss the waterfalls in our country. in Philippines, so many waterfalls, especially in KTL, the Aliwagwag Falls. There's lots of water there.
The waterfalls there.
Yeah. And I grew up in our mountain, in our province, that we are very close to nature, waterfalls. Cutting classes, and we go to with friends. Bring some baon, pancit with sardines or corned beef and lupak, like mash, anything like mash, banana and cassava, like that. That's our baon. Nakakamiss lang. I miss those days. So I know, getting hot. Don't show your abs, hon. Don't show your abs. So, uwi na kami. And, yeah. We're going home because we have to change our clothes.
Oh no, what's over here?
For dinner. Oh. Slippery. You still have time? Kasi meron kaming dinner guys na ni-reserve dinner around by 5. So yun lang, simpleng celebration. Yun lang yung magiging ganap ng aming wedding anniversary.
It's a big sinkhole.
Yeah. Oh, wonder what's inside. Big bear. So there's a lot of sinkhole in here, in this area.
A lot of what?
Sinkhole.
Oh yeah.
That's the tourist destination.
I think it was built on limestone. The limestone, when it crumbles, this is what happens.
What? The limestone?
Mm-hmm.
So there's another sinkhole in there.
Yep.
1, 2. So that's the part of destination here. Lots of sinkhole. Right there. The other side too. Right there, if you can see. It's so quiet. Are we going home now? Yun lang talaga yung gusto ko makita, yung falling waterfalls. So bucket list check. So I'll see you later guys sa restaurant na ata. Right, Han?
Yep. Later for dinner.
Later. Curious kami dito in this area. This is turtleneck. 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 I don't know to read the L now. So welcome back guys. I lie. I lie. Meron pa tayong pupuntahan pala dito. This is turtle lake, not turtleneck. So we're in Turtle Lake now. So sabi ko, I'll see you in a restaurant, hindi pa. So ito yung last stop natin, I guess. Connected pa rin ito ng ano, part of was that waterfall area?
My bears.
I have my bear here.
We're in bear country, huh?
So this is the table. So on your table, you can swim in here. Just check the water if cold. Yeah, it's cold, but it's refreshing because the weather it's not cold. It's nice, very nice. They place the table all around this area, this water. Picnic table. It's nice in here. Very nice and peaceful. I think I don't know if they bring these sands here. Oh, look at this sand. Very white. So, uwian na. Uwi na tayo. Kasi magsha-shower pa ako. Para fresh later. Tingnan. Right, Han?
Yes.
See ya, guys. See you later. Welcome back, guys. We're here now in Emerald's restaurant. Ito yung menu nila. Try to enjoy this night. This is oyster from
British Columbia.
All right, and pardon me, I have your fried chicken right here for you. There we go. Oops, sorry, I need a move the phone. There we go.
Thank
Eat
you.
it all.
Grab. Don't worry, you gotta give it your best shot, and then we'll get you a box.
Thank you.
Y'all enjoy.
Thanks.
I told you that I'm already full. I'm gonna eat this. So what's yours? What's this fillet?
Wagyu.
So guys, this is all my food. I can tell you, I can feed the 3 people here. It's like serving for 3 people or 4 people here. This is mac and cheese here, and cherry collard greens. Oh. And Javi got the Philly. Oh,
Wagyu.
Wagyu. Yeah, he got the Wagyu. So, yeah, this is our dinner. Our wedding anniversary. So, let's eat it. Let's enjoy this food in front of us. In front of me. So, I'll see you later. Looks good, man.
Do you have espresso? I do. You want an espresso? Or I'll take an espresso.
Welcome back, and nasa bahay na tayo. Kararating na namin at nagbihis na ako. Ayun. So, magpapaalam lang muna ako sa inyo for now. Yun lang yung ating kaganapan today. Grabe, busog na busog ako. Dami ko nakain. May leftover pa kami. Bukas na yung breakfast o kaya lunch na. Back to work na tomorrow. So, mga ka-dreamer, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye!